my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in.
Alright fellas, so today we're gonna get this box unbolted. I've got two bolts out already. What else have I got? One more there on the front and a real tight one in the back. And I'm gonna undo the fuel cover on the inside of the box and the other spout on the side. I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about.
Okay, so mice had moved into this truck in here as well, so we'll have to give them a little bit of an eviction notice. The box is unbolted, and we can lift the box off shortly. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I don't know if you all can see that. Oh, that bolt that's up in there. Anyways, it's not user friendly. What a tough one to get out. The nut was the worst. Okay. Okay, out you go. Come on now. Don't be like that. Come on. Don't be a Pinocchio. What an ugly job. You can't get a ratchet in there. Can't get a big wrench in there, hardly. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so let's see. We got to do brake lines. Like I thought, new fuel lines, all new fuel lines. Change the rotted exhaust pipe. Lots of cleanup on this frame to do, and she should be good after that. All right. Yep, got a sand there. A bit more sanding there after welding in a piece. Same with there. And then I gotta blow this all off and wire wheel it down to metal. Get rid of that scabby stuff out of there. Alright, back to it. We quickly cleaned up these fenders. I've got a lot of work to do on that one. The other one's pretty good. These were banged up when I got them, and that one was rotted out in a couple spots. Then I've got this to straighten out the one end. And then we got to figure out how to make a piece for there and there. And get those in the apartment so I can put them outside so I can get to my motorcycle. So I can change one light and an air filter. Alright, I'm going to blow that off now that my compressor's charged. Thanks. Okay, so now we're going to start with this, I believe, passenger side inner fender. Is that passenger? Yeah, I think that's passenger. Yeah. Passenger, and then I've got to do the driver's side inner fender. This one's pretty much just to clean it up and do light patching. The other one, I think I should probably go watch Fitzy's videos for a while and practice with that. All right, I'll show you when this part's done.